Hey guys, Cameron here with Emerson House Buyers, Emerson Property Management. Every week I bring you tools, tactics, strategies, lessons I've learned, things that help me build up a sizable rental portfolio in about 2 years and now manage that portfolio. Today I want to mention something I read in an article. It was chrisreining.com. I'll have it below in the link or in the comments or something below on this to this article so you can read it in full. But one thing I thought was really interesting is these three facts that he mentioned. Now, again, this article is very long, but I'm going to write something down here. So, 10%, 20%, 30%. What do you guys think that is in relation to? Can anybody guess? These are market declines. And his article was, this is, so these are again, I said market declines. So how often do you think the market declines 10% on average? How often do you think the market declines 20% on average? How often do you think the market declines 30%? In 5, 10, 6 months, 30 years, what do you guys think? These are your numbers. The market on average will decline 10% every year. At some point, once a year, you'll have a drop of about 10%. On average, the stock market, and again, this is a total market, the S&P 500 index, the total stock market index, will drop on average 20% every 2 to 4 years. Or excuse me, 4 to 5 years. It will drop 10% at least one time, average once a year, 20% every 4 to 5 years, and 30% once a decade. So what did that tell me? What should that tell us? What should we use that in our investing? The big thing, guys, is it's coming, right? We have the longest bull run in history. There is going to be a correction that comes. Last year, in December of 2018, the market corrected about 10%. And then it came roaring back. And in 2019, we finished the year about 30% S&P 500 index gain. So the market ended up 30%, but we had a 10% correction. And why I'm telling you this is, or why I think it's important that you know this, is that we can't get out of the market. We don't want to get ourselves in a position where we're afraid of this stuff. This is a natural part of the investing process. It's not something that you guys should fear. Every year, just know that the stock market is going to go down about 10%. Every 4 or 5 years, the market's going to drop 20%. And about every decade, you're going to have a 30% decline. And how does this translate to real estate investing? It's the same thing. You guys are going to have a drop in rents, maybe a drop in asset prices. It happens. It's not something to fear. Just understand it as a regular part of the market cycle. So these market cycles happen. It's like anything else. Just the sun setting and rising, the moon's going up and down, us, orbiting around the sun. I don't know how else to say it than this is just something not to fear, just to understand as a normal process. So I hope again that this helps you guys. About once every year, the market drops 10%. Every 4 to 5 years, it drops about 20%. And every decade, it drops about 30%. And again, I'll put the link to the article below in this video so you guys can see it. It was Chris Reining that wrote this. And I just think it was a very valid point. So I want to share that with you guys. Hope that was useful. If you found it useful, let me know. If you didn't, let me know either way. And happy investing, guys. And I'll see you guys next week.